Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to export data on Google Drive. First open your web browser and search Google Cloud Console. Open the first link and create a new project. Click on New Project and give any name to your project, example Lead Scraper. And click on Create button. Once project created successfully, look a notification pop up and select the created project. On top you can see your selected project. After go to the APUS credentials section. Click on Create Credentials and create a service account. Set the service account name. Now simply click on Done button to create service account. After that you can see your created service account in below list. Now simply click on below email. Move to keys section, click on Add key and create a new key. Now select JSON and click on Create button. Once you create a file will start download automatically. Once download complete, navigate your downloads folder and rename the downloaded file as shown. Now copy that file and move to your current project directory and replace the same name file with copied file inside it. After move back to Google Cloud Console and go to the library section. And search Google Drive API. And enable this API. Once you enable it, go to Google Drive and create a folder by name Lead Scraper Data. After creating folder, click on Share button. And move to Google Console and copy your service account email address and paste it inside folder sharing option. And simply click on Send button. Now move to your project and try to export your data. Once your data will export successfully, you can check your exported data inside your Google Drives folder.
Thank you for watching.